Hi everyone, I just wanted to pop in very quickly. I know I've spoken with many of you or emailed with many of you independently, but I just want to remind you that the next journal is due March the 3rd, and after that we're looking at March the 24th and into April. So I just wanted to remind you of those due dates. And the other thing is that there have been a few questions as far as projects during the practicum, and I want to just emphasize a couple of words to you. One is feasible, and the other is meaningful. And it's really important to know what that organization needs, what types of projects are needed by your preceptor, so they really guide you as far as the project itself, because we need to be very intuitive as far as what is needed in the organizations where we are. It may not be exactly what we would decide to do. However, it's important to really engage those who are involved in the work and to really focus on what their needs are versus what we see as an outsider. And of course, there's some value to that perspective as well. But really, we need to have something that's very meaningful. And let's go to the word feasible. We need to make sure that the project is something that you can do within the time frame that you are actually within the organization. And that may be a piece of a much bigger project. And just keep that in mind. You don't have to have a grandiose as far as implementation project. It may be a part of one of the initiatives that is already existing within that organization. And again, that's very valuable to the organization to help propel or augment what they're already doing for their success. So just kind of keep those things in mind. But of course, if you have any questions whatsoever, want to just bounce some ideas off of me, I am more than happy to do so. And just let me know what you need. But you're all doing a great job. You're all at different points in your practicum, and I want to make sure this is a really good experience for you as you finalize your master's program. So again, if you need anything, just let me know. Take care now. Bye-bye.